out last night. I had watered this guy twice a day, and he was completely collapsed, completely collapsed. I didn't think he'd come back. I am losing the nasturtiums. They're getting water. They just can't take the heat. In other news, what happy plants these are, huh? Isn't it funny? Some plants just give up and others are like, yeah, okay, now it's warm. Just a little bit of an overview. Morning. I just turned the water on with my phone, and I can hear it as if there's a problem with it, like a blowout. But I think that's just pressure through some of the holes. So I look pretty far away, don't I? I'm trying to get those sunflowers in. I mean, after all, they're the best looking part of this video, right? Short of sitting inside the mulch there. That would be weird. I mean, I could do it. Heat. Don't let me start again, but seriously, I'm losing some things. The nasturtium I planted from seed in the wooden raised bed, I'll include a video, frying, absolutely frying, and they're getting water twice a day at their little roots. They're getting water. The zinnias I planted yesterday that I bought at the store, my favorite, a salmon colored one, collapsed. I mean, sure the leaves wilted, but the whole bloom wilted, and I thought, it's my favorite one. And well, of course, there's a lesson to be learned here, and that's don't buy plants when it's 100 degrees. Don't. It's going to be 100 again today. We're having, I don't know, I haven't read news items, but we're having an exceptionally hot early summer, and the things that are tired, and things are tiring out, including me. But then I pass by the bougainvillea, and they're like, all right, now the temperature's right. And I'm like, what? You didn't do anything half the spring, and now you're just blooming with happiness? They look beautiful. One of them's a little slow to bloom. I'm watching a dove flying all through underneath my porch and everything, getting a little nervous there. So yeah, my cute little nasturtium fried. They're just not gonna make it. They're just crisping up so badly. And no fungus looking kind of crisping. Just, I had nasturtium in my bed last year. It had to be 100 degrees at some point last year. And they excelled, but I guess it was a little shadier down low on the raised bed behind me, which is like, what, the height of 2 bricks with some protection, and out there's no protection out there. I moved you a little closer. I have a hard time seeing you way out there. There's a lot of light coming at me from the sun rising, and you can see it reflected in my glasses. I could take them off for a little bit. Whoa, me, early. I don't know about the hair. I included a little clip of my new little cutie little vanity, my vanity. It serves as a desk as well. It doesn't serve me, but it can be a desk. It's a little pink thing. My choice was pink or white. I needed to be very small because I was going to put it in my bedroom. And it was cute enough because I have to do makeup for the videos, and I got tired, as I mentioned yesterday, of standing in front of the mirror. What I love is I finally got the right mirror for it. I ordered a mirror with lights, and it's just, I love the mirror. It's adorable. I don't know what happens when the bulbs go out. It is LED. Perhaps I will have expired by then, according to what they say about LED bulbs. They'll outlive us all. I just love it. It's cute, it's big. I get to sit down, have a combo with myself, tap the screen and it comes on, or the light changes if I want. Oh, it's so fun. And who knew, again, that gardening had so much to do with makeup? Actually, YouTubing about gardening or anything has a lot to do with makeup. Yesterday, did my best to prune the sun sugar tomatoes, which I love, which are not producing These doves are very aggressive this morning. Half the time I thought, just take the whole thing out, just take it out. The location's wrong. I think the pickers isn't right for this size of a tomato. Oh dear, there are 2 doves sitting on the power source right in front of me, and let me get you up there. Oh, I see, it's too low here. So that is going on this morning. I hope it doesn't get any, you know. All right, I have to go inside. Another day of 100, couple more than the 90s, rain, monsoons probably. Can only get so hot here before it starts raining. I'm gonna go inside before these birds get out of control, because that's exactly what I think I'm getting ready to look at. Thank you for joining me out here for coffee and bird-like shenanigans. Oh, I don't want to, no. Thank you for joining me for coffee this morning. I appreciate your company, I really do. I get up in the morning this early just to yak with you for a bit. See ya, bye.